solution which will give you greater transparency and control over your samples. It gives the user a window into their Chemtest account, allowing them to view results in real time, download interim and accredited reports, as well as scheduling their chain of custody, collections and deliveries. Once your chain of custody is created in Chemconnect, save it for your engineer to complete later using Chemgenie. Both systems sync together to deliver the most transparent and user-friendly testing solution on the market. As both tools are cloud-based, the information can be accessed 24/7 from anywhere in the world, making Chem Solutions the most accessible and powerful tool in the industry. Before the platform can be used, you must contact your account manager so that an account can be set up. This information will be sent via email to you. After you log in, you'll be presented with the dashboard. From this screen, you can access the following sections and their subsections. Web jobs, which consists of live and completed jobs, open or new chains of custodies. Schedule pickups, which consists of a new pickup form and previously created requests, either by the engineer via the Chemgenie app or Chemtest. Order containers, which provides the same views as schedule pickup screens, but for new container orders. In this video, we'll be talking about ordering containers. You can find information about other options in our tutorials available on our channel and the website. Chemconnect pages are presented in a tabular view, which means you can click on any of the headers and order the data alphabetically by that column. In the top right corner, you can find a search field, which you can use to search through the available data by any value. You can click on any of the entries to display the containers for that order. This information is also used by the search filter in the top right corner. You can view previous orders which have been created in Chemconnect if they display the value in the first column, or manually by us, either via phone or email. You can also view previous orders generated by your engineers in Chemgenie. You can create a new container order by either clicking on Reorder button, especially useful for recurring orders, as the form will be pre-populated with the previous information, or click Order Containers button on top of the page. Specify the number of boxes and required date. If you require containers to be labelled with the barcodes, tick Barcode Labels checkbox. You can use the comments field if you wish to leave instructions for the courier or your customer service advisor. Click Add Containers and select container types you wish to order, adjust the quantity and click Add button. Repeat as many times as needed and close the pop-up window. You can manually adjust quantity for individual containers or remove them by clicking the bin icon. Input full name and phone number for the contacts responsible for receiving the order from the courier. On the right-hand side, input the address details. There are 3 ways to do this. Input everything manually. Select from the list of all available offices we have stored in our system, or click the pointer icon to bring up the map. This will automatically use your location to save the address details to the form. You can also drag and drop the pointer to different locations, which is useful if you work on a big site with few access gates, and the boxes will be ready at the specific location. If you're happy with the order, click Send. The system will confirm the submission and send the container order file and confirmation email to you and us. Congratulations! You've ordered containers using Chemconnect.